Why don't we jump right into our headline topic here? The original article is from Petapixel or ABC7 News, I don't know, something. We've got a couple sources. But California homeowner CJ Sveen has reportedly had the insurance policy on his house dropped after his insurer, the California State Automobile Association, or CSAA, claimed that photos of his property showed, and this is amazing, potential hazards in his yard. If I was going to lose my home insurance just based on the potential hazards in my yard, I would have had no home insurance for the last 2 years because of the empty hole that is dug in the back of my yard where my pool is supposed to be.
Yeah.
No insurance, and I have a hole in my yard.
It would be fair. It made us both bleed, literally.
That is true. We have both bled in the pool already.
Yeah.
Not in like a weird way, though. Anyway, these potential hazards, Sven is a tinkerer who's restoring a 1966 Chevy.
Which is extremely normal.
Which is a totally normal thing. What is the point of having a yard if you can't have a car on cinder blocks in it? I thought this was America.
Or North America.
This is where it gets absolutely crazy, though. Sveen contacted the insurer, at which point representatives claimed that they had sent a drone over his property to acquire the photos. They didn't even have the sense to deny this unbelievable invasion of privacy. They're like, yeah, we sent a drone over your house, which, by the way, are you even allowed to do? How big is this drone? How heavy is this drone? Did it have a flight plan? Like, I have absolutely no idea how you can justify this. This is an egregious invasion of personal property.
What they did deny was his request to even see the photos at all or address any of the issues in his yard. They're just like, no, doesn't matter if you solve it, no more insurance.
That's it, you're done. Forget about insurance. Many California insurers have apparently been trying to find any excuse to deny insurance on properties due to wildfire risk. I mean, okay, so hold on a second. I don't even have to actually send the drone. I can just say, I put a drone over your property, deny your insurance, your ability to get insurance, refuse to show you any of the pictures, and then...
Yeah, good enough.
Yeah, sorry, dog. Hey, you know, you right there, we saw you doing something bad. I'm gonna need your pass.
Yeah, you're out of LTX now.
I'm sorry. Yeah, no, hold on a second. There's a no. Well, what choice does he have? I saw him doing something bad. I sent a drone over his desk at the LAN party.
Yeah, he's not allowed back.
The world's quietest, smallest drone.
Yeah. You can't see any evidence. It happened. Yeah.
It 100% happened. You know you're not getting this back now, right? Okay. No.
Oh, he caught it.
Nice.
That was good. Very nice.
Here's the problem, though. Sveen's not even in the wildfire zone where insurers are trying to cancel insurance, and he hasn't made a claim in the 15 years he's had the policy. Is anyone here from California? Anyone? Wow, that's, I'm not sure if that was better or worse than I expected. It's fewer people than I expected, or rather, sorry, it's more people than I expected, but it's less noise.
You guys are like,
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Californians aren't thrilled, that's fair.
They're in California, and that's why they're also in therapy.
But the plot actually thickens here. When contacted by ABC7, a local news outlet, the CSAA, so this is the insurer, denied that there had been any drone at all, claiming that the photos might have been captured by fixed-wing airplane or satellite instead. The CSAA likewise refused to show any of these photos to ABC7. Okay, so hold on a second. I didn't see you do something bad with a drone. I fired up Google Maps, and in somewhere that you were at some point, you did something bad, so no insurance. Sorry, get wrecked. I don't even know where to start with this. Like, on the one hand, there's the offensiveness of some random entity at some random time being allowed to take photos of your property, because it's one thing if you're taking pictures of someone's behavior on public property. Like, for example, insurers are well known for their practice of hiring private investigators or even having internal teams that will go and see if, Mr. Back Pain or Mrs. I can't walk because of my knee is actually, playing softball or spending all their time at the gym, right? This is something that we know about. But there are actually, laws that allow them to photograph you or videograph you in public space. Whereas this is like, okay, yeah, technically, I guess you don't necessarily own the, do you own the air above your property?
I think it also drastically depends on where you live. Like, there's a note here saying that beyond restrictions on peeping Toms, there's no other laws at all preventing this type of surveillance. So it might here.
Right.
Because I'm pretty sure you can't do that here. I think that's actually like a no-no. But in California, maybe it's okay.
Man, that's absolutely...
It's wild.
That's wild.